Unboxing the Vega helmet. Here it is, Vega helmet. Its size is M size. Here the glass, inside one sunglass. Yes, this is me. This is sunglass. Protect your eyes from sunlight, UV rays. This is nice one. Yeah, upper one, this portion. This is black gray. Inside this. Inside heavy protect. Good. This is perfect Vega helmet. Back side also nice. It's also nice. I love it, this product. This is Vega user guide. Is model name Ryker dual Visor graphics. Its actual price is 1817, but I brought from Amazon Republic Day sale 2020, and I got it from 1362 for this price. And this user guide, how to wear helmet and how to wear a helmet and check it the fit. This is the precaution for helmet, how to clean helmet individual. Nothing, this is pen phase information. It's a heavy and good helmet, absolutely good helmet. This one, the Purex helmet, toughest helmet, this one Vega.